Yeah, I forgot to mention, this fuel sending unit looked like it's been replaced once before the car was parked too. I mean, it looks damn good. And the sock ain't stopped up or nothing. So, I might be able to get away with using that. I hope this float works for the gauge. Because what there's your ground step for your fuel gauge. So, see if I can't get y'all in here with a better view. See, gas tank actually looks pretty good. Just needs good cleaning. So, yeah. Try to clean that and stuff. I might be able to get away with using this tank. Paint it up and all that good mess. So, I figured I'd show y'all that too since I've almost forgot. Hope I do get away with it. It'd be nice.